Action.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Hello Nabila, good to see you.
Hello Irene, good to see you. Hey everybody, my name is Nabila Roswati.
Hi everybody, my name is Irena Anggraini. We are from class 424B01.
So, we're going to talk about this question, and the topic is about deciding of marrying. Sound interesting, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's interesting to talk about.
Okay, we go into discussion. Well, in a country, it is almost one third of girls get married at before 18. What do you think about some decided to get married before 18?
It seems that there will be many obstacles that will be faced because marriage is not easy for some people, especially before the age of 18 years. Maybe there will be many problems that arise in terms of economic, mental, psychological, and mutual service.
Yeah, that's true. Some say early marriage can cause misunderstanding between partners because they are still developing mentally. It will be very difficult for them to think more wisely.
Yes, it's hard if you don't mature enough and decide to get married. By the way, talk about marry young. Have you heard about the new law that in Indonesia will raise minimum age at which women can marry from 16 to 19? And so what do you think?
Yes, I've heard of it, and I decided to support it because the law is good. People won't marry too young now. At 19, I think people are more mature, so there will be fewer cases of divorce.
Yeah, I think so. In my opinion, when we are young, we should think about our dreams and our aspiration later. Like, what do I want in the future, or which college should I go to? Something like that, right?
Right, I agree. I know that in Indonesia currently has the 80 highest number of child migrate in the world. It is estimated 1 in 7 girls in Indonesia get married before 18. What do you think about the many cases of child migrate in Indonesia?
Hmm, I know that in the regions in Indonesia, especially outside of Jakarta, there are many girls who are at an age where they should be in school, but they are forced to get married by their parent, their friend, or the people around them.
Yes, I've heard of that too in some regions. It's normally for girls to marry at 14 to 17 years old is late for marriage. I like, wow.
Yeah. Do you think marriage before 19 in the future will go well?
I guess it's rare. For things to go well, there are many cases where people unaware for child responsibilities, get abortion, give the child away, or just leave the child. Very sad.
Yeah. For me, when someone decide to get married young, they must have to mentally prepare because when someone is too young, they still unstable to know what's right and what's wrong. Some say it is to avoid adultery or perzinahan, which is not. Marriage life is not always about sex and lovely fantasy. Their responsibilities will increase hard over a time.
But in the end, everybody has the right to get married.
Yes, but in the end, everybody has the right to get married. That's right. It's everyone's right when they feel ready. Why not?
Thank you for listening to our discussion about deciding to marry young.
If there is wrong or incorrect perception, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.